A few days ago I was browsing the internet on Amazon and I saw some kind of fidget devices that were very expensive, like hundreds of dollars, and I decided to make my own version of it. I'm not too much into fidgets, and I'm not into a butterfly knife because this is kind of like a cartoon version of a butterfly knife. However, I am into designing things and trying to challenge myself to build something. So I thought it was kind of an interesting thing to try. So I spent a few hours on OpenSCAD to design. So these are kind of the handles. Basically, if you take two cylinders and do the whole operation, you create this oval, this base oval. And then if you subtract cylinders, you make these holes. And basically, by repeating that operation, then you can create another oval, subtract it, and create all this kind of more complex looking shape. And then for the blade, it's kind of similar deal. I will have cylinders here, 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 and here. The whole operation that will create this sort of shape. Similarly there, and then subtract two cylinders for the holes. Here I subtract two ovals to create these indentations. And then I will take a rectangle at an angle, subtract it, and get this type of blade thing. So it didn't take too long to design this, and then I 3D printed it and made this kind of little fidgety thing. I took it, I was carrying it during the day. It's kind of fun. I don't know how fun. So I feel like if I would buy one of the real ones, I would feel bad of spending all that money. But just making one myself, I got probably not the same experience, but close to it, and it's also fun to build it. So, and then to put it together, I'm using these type of screws. I think maybe they're made for scrapbooks. Actually, they're not pivot screws. These are pivot screws that can be used for tools or knives. These are more for scrapbooking, but it seems to work too. So then I made a little washer. It goes here, and the blade, quote unquote blade. The real gadgets are made of titanium, and the blade has a can opener and a bit driver. So they have possibly a use as basically bottle openers, and mine are just not useful for anything, just fidgets, which you can argue it is an use, but I still need to practice the craft and see what kind of paints I came up with. These are acrylic paints on top of PLA, which is the 3D printed material, and then I did a gloss coat with like a spray can, which gave it a little bit of a shine. So I think it looks pretty cool. Some of these textures I will put a coat of paint, and then I use this like sponge to create this other kind of other color in little spots. So overall, it's kind of a fun project. Not tremendously useful, but just fun to do. Kind of relaxing thing to do. Thank you for watching.